1 First Street in Los Altos, California. You cannot go to any city in California without finding at least one Dover impulse. And here's the first one that I found here. Oh, what fun. Oh, what? Whoa. This is a really old one. Ooh, it's got the old microswitch context. Alright, well that caught me off guard. This one's a bit cool, I guess. Yeah, it's got the chirp. Wow. Impulse constellations? Old bumper too. Yeah, optical eyes. Look at that. Microswitch keys. All of these are original. Yeah, all the buttons. I don't know about that one. Probably is, but I'm not gonna test it.